welcome back to our third semifinals week dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. At syempre, hindi pa naman natin alam kung paano tayo gugulatin ng ating semifinalists. Pero inaasahan ko na bibilib tayong lahat, Billy Boy.
Kaya wag na natin patagalan. Alam mo, simulan na natin. Let us begin the competition.
That is right, isang poging bagets na tinitilian ng mga girls.
Uy!
Kakaiba ang kanyang appeal, lalo na kapag hawak niya ang kanyang gitara. From Pasay, Keith Clark Del Vella, let's watch this.
Ang lakas ng dating mo.
You rock me.
Siguro po matinding labanan. Hindi ko na po ina-expect yung sarili ko na mapabilang sa top 36.
Congratulations, you guys!
Nung tinawag ako, syempre nagulat ako. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, ito na yung pagkakataon mapakita ulit ang performance ko on TV. Kahit di naman po manalo, pakita lang po yung talent ko and para inspire po sila na itayo ang guitar industry dito sa Philippines po.
And the crowd goes wild.
That's
Please
right.
welcome our first semifinalist for this week.
Ang pinagmamalaking gitarista ng Pasay City. Let us rock and roll with Keith!
Then you sense a change, nothing feels the same. All your dreams are strange, love goes walking in. Some kind of alien, wish for the opening, simply pulls us straight in.
Keith, 1 second, bro.
Keith!
1 second, bro. We are experiencing some technical difficulties. Sorry about that, bro. We apologize.
Oo.
Yes, we would like to apologize. At kagaya na sinabi natin, it goes to show
This
that
is live.
happening live na live.
Yes, pero don't worry. Uulitin po ni Keith yan ngayon na.
Yes,
Okay
yes.
na,
We
handa
have
na
to be
tayo.
fair to everyone.
Keith, test natin ang guitar natin. Okay na? Okay.
Everything set? Do we have the go signal?
One more time, give it up for Keith!
Good luck, bro.
And then you sense a change, nothing feels the same. All your dreams are strange, love goes walking in. Some kind of alien waits for the opening, simply pulls us straight in.
Keith, that was the first time we actually heard the three buzzers.
Yep,
Out of
first
the
time for our
semifinal
semifinals. Well, bro, I think it's better that we go straight to the judges.
Yes.
Ang sakit sa tenga kasi, baby, nung gitara.
Super.
Siguro sobra ka sa electric. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari.
No, I don't think it's his fault.
Excuse me, Sir FMG?
Pero ang gwapo-gwapo mo pa rin ngayon.
I don't think it's his fault. It's not balanced. I think it's our fault.
Masakit. Parang yung eardrum ko magbaburst na. What ha? Tayo ba yan? Or yan yun talaga,
No,
boss?
tayo. They should balance that.
Gitara niya kasi sobra sa electric.
Masakit.
Yun lang, hindi ko alam i-explain, pero parang yun yung feeling.
Miss Chris, would like to add anything? Sir FMG,
No.
anything else? Keith, how do you feel sa comment ng ating mga judges na maybe it was a bit too rock for them?
No, it's not the right. It's the
The sound.
Sound.
The
sound is too
distortion.
loud.
Painful.
Okay. I don't know how to explain this, pero okay lang po.
But was that your intention?
Maybe hindi, kasi po talagang pong templado na po yung effects ko and maybe po
Nilagyan
yung
yan siguro
equalizer
sobrang
po.
effects.
Ano ba
Audio.
yung effects na yun?
Sobra sa effects.
Yung electric,
Yung
Maybe
electric.
po sa audio po na lumalabas sa speaker. Kasi po dito naman po sa amp ko
Sa monitor.
is okay naman po.
Kasi,
Matalas po
Keith-
siya sa monitor.
all here on stage for Keith, actually, okay yung naririnig niya. Maybe
Yes.
yung templado dyan sa labas, sa house speakers natin, medyo napalakas siguro ang gitara or something. But I think he still did a great job,
Good job, bro.
performing. So, para sa mga teenagers at hindi na teenagers na idol itong si Keith, gusto nyong may gitarista tayo sa Grand Finals, ito ang dapat tandaan, PGT space Keith.
Once again, yan ang dapat niyong tandaan. PGT space Keith. That's Keith. Bro, maraming salamat.
Keith, maraming
Hope you had a
salamat.
good one. Billy Boy?
I really wish that I could play the guitar that good, to be honest with you.